Dust on the lens again tonight. I was lost in a flicker of light. Trail runs cold where the stories die. Signal fades in the canyon sky. Maps and wires and broken plans. Camera shaking, frozen hand. Every road that I tried to show, buried deep where the numbers go. Voices say turn the lights on. Nobody's watching the road. Ghosts in the algorithm, dragging their chains through my name. Every mile I remember still disappears in the rain. But the wheels keep turning slow through the dust and the dark unknown. If nobody ever sees, I'll still ride these roads alone. Static come from the editing room. Morning comes like a fading moon. Old Jeep rattles the mountain pass. Dreams break loose in the shattered glass. Tried to speak through the screen of noise, through the silence that fame destroys. Every view just a flicker and gone, like a fire that won't stay on. Ghosts in the algorithm, dragging their chains through my name. Every mile I remember still disappears in the rain. But the wheels keep turning slow through the dust and the dark unknown. If nobody ever sees, I'll still ride these roads alone. Maybe the road was never screened. Maybe the silence means I'm free. Maybe the trails out past the pines. No more truth than the wires and lines. Ghosts in the algorithm, hunting the things that I tried. But the mountain remember every mile that I ride. And the wheels keep turning slow through the dust and the dark unknown. If nobody ever sees, I'll still ride these roads alone. Slow
Working hard.